excited to show you guys our new product, which is our Palo Santo bundles. So what is Palo Santo? So Palo Santo, Basura gravulans, also known as holy wood, is perfect for use with smudging. It's ethically sourced from South America and is known for its cleansing, antimicrobial properties. So what's really great about Palo Santo is it's really good for clearing negative energy, reducing feelings of anxiety, as well as increasing creativity and good fortune. And it comprises a sweet nose of mint, lemon and pine, and it's been used by shamans for centuries in their meditation and spiritual ceremonies.
And also the Palo Santo tree belongs to the same botanical family as frankincense and myrrh trees, which have been known for their antioxidant-rich oils all over the world.
So over the last few years, besides burning our aromatherapy candles, we've often been burning Palo Santo for our meditation and mindfulness practices. And not only that, we are no strangers to scent therapy, as you guys know. But what you might not know is actually our mum has been training to become a shamanic healer in recent years. So we often find her smudging Palo Santo sticks all around our house to help clear energy and bring balance to the home.
Yeah, and we just absolutely love lighting these sticks and just using them around our house just to clear any negative or stagnant energy. And what's more, we absolutely adore the smell because they just smell amazing. And yeah, and absolutely, we really believe in the therapeutic and the spiritual benefits that these sticks can offer. So Palo Santo is often used for smudging, incense, but also for its essential oil components when it's distilled. And people would use Palo Santo, especially from its calming smoke. It can really help to relax you and unwind you after a stressful day. So some people might use Palo Santo during yoga practices or meditation, or even if they've had an argument with their partner, they can just light it in the room to really clear the space.
And what's great is actually in parts of South America, such as some of the local villages in Peru, some of the locals actually even put Palo Santo sticks within their cup of tea, as well as placing a Palo Santo stick on their patio and lighting it to help ward away insects. So it has multiple uses, but as well, when it's distilled for its essential oil, it's really great because it's really rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals. So it's really good for helping with muscular pain, helping relieve inflammation, reducing feelings of anxiety, as well as helping support the overall nervous system. No, this is a case of mistaken identity. So there are actually two different species of wood referred to as Palo Santo. The first being called Bulnesia sarmientoi, which is used in the making of furniture. So it's characterized by a dark mahogany lookalike wood, and it's grown in the Gran Chaco region of South America. Then there is the wood we have here at ARDERE, which is our Palo Santo, which is referred to as Basura gravulans. And this is used in spiritual ceremonies and is characterized by the yellowish tan with grey or brown streaks.
And then we also have something called the IUCN, which is the International Union of Conservation for Nature. And they have a red list, which is essentially a set of criteria which marks for any threats of extinction for certain biological species. And so with Basura gravulans, which we have here at ARDERE, this is marked as not a concern and is not threatened.
ARDERE's Palo Santo is wild harvested, sourced sustainably from naturally downed trees and fallen branches. We source our Palo Santo from individuals who have small businesses to help support them. So to light your stick of Palo Santo, you want to hold it slightly downwards, and you want to either take a match or a burner and light it like so. It takes a few seconds. Now you can see it's lit, and what you want to do is keep it pointing downwards towards the flame, and you want to keep it here for around 30 seconds. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to blow it out early. And then you get this nice, calming, gentle smoke coming from it. And you want to cleanse it, and you want to hold it around your space you want to cleanse, moving it around. You can cleanse a person as well if you wish. It smells so good. It does, doesn't it? It's so relaxing. And basically you want to use the feather. You can use a feather, you don't need to use a feather, but you can help waft it across the areas you want to help the smoke reach and help cleanse the space. And then, if in case of putting it out, this is what you want to do. So you want to have a fireproof container. I've used a shell, which is what a lot of shamans use and a lot of meditations use. Completely fireproof, and then you want to stub it out. So you want to grind it in to help stub it out. If you wanted to, you could have also left it burning to help incense the room, providing it's in view and not in reach of children or any pets or any flammable items. But yeah, you can grind it out like so. And there we have it. Some people also like to use a little bit of sand as well to help burn the embers out much quicker. So you can always, if you've got access to sand or you have some sand and shells, that's always a really great way to help extinguish the embers a lot quicker.
This is entirely down to the individual, and you can use it as often or as much as you like.
Bearing in mind that Palo Santo is a strong means of cleansing, so we like to use it every now and then. We also like to use it when we feel like we're holding on to any negative energy or we've had a bad day, as well as using it to help relax and feel uplifted during meditation practice.
And in between using Palo Santo, we also recommend using more subtle forms of cleansing, such as using our aromatherapy candles or diffusing some essential oils.